today we're gonna be making another Minecraft hour of code video. So what I've seen from our last video, it's got very good reviews, so let's get into this video. So we did Minecraft Adventure last time. So I have a video for Minecraft Designer that's gonna be out soon. But today we're gonna be working on Minecraft Hero's Journey. And the description for this is Journey through Minecraft with code. So let's start. Okay, this is a video. Okay, so today we're going to be Alex. Okay, so our instructions are: the door is locked, but the agent is here to help. Snap a move forward block to the bottom of the when run block in the workspace to get the agent to the pressure plate. And then press run and use the arrow keys to move out of the house to collect the chest. Okay, so let's see. So we want the agent to move forward, and then we want to go get that. So what we're gonna be doing in this, we're gonna be like pretty much hanging out, and this is gonna be very fun. Rather than our usual way we do our projects. Oh, it's the thing over there. Oh, okay. So yeah. Congratulations. You found the diamond path. You have collected 1 diamond so far. Alex is headed on an adventure. To help get the map behind the locked door on the right, snap the code into the workspace to move the agent to the pressure plate so that Alex can get through. Okay. Oh, okay, so we want him to move forward. So I think this is what we're supposed to do. Okay. So, okay, now our instructions are: Alex continues on the adventure and needs the compass to prepare for the trip. Code the agent to open the gate. So we want it to move forward 4 times. Or, yep, move forward 4 times. The agent can hover over water, but the player can't. Okay. The agent can move across water. Use a repeat loop to solve this puzzle and help Alex get to the bucket behind the door. So, we have to move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward again, move forward, move forward, and one last move forward. So, let's see if this is what we're supposed to do. Oh yeah. So now we need to go get the bucket. So this puzzle just wanted us to use the agent to get the pressure plate so that we can go get a bucket. In this hero's journey part, we're going to be using the agent to touch these pressure plates so that Alex can get around. It might not be Alex in your case, but for me it is Alex. Okay, so it says, you made it across. Now get Alex safely through the maze to collect the axe. Okay, so now we have to make the agent move forward and move forward, turn right, And then move forward another 2 times, I believe. So let's see. Oh, oops. Oh no, the bridge is out. Call the agent to rebuild the bridge using the place block so that Alex can get to the shovel. Okay. So, what we want to do is we want to repeat 3 times, which is move forward, place oak planks. So let's see. Okay.